There was a very, very bad accident early this morning. About 3 in the morning, the car burst into flames and there were 3 people in the car. Yeah, the sirens. I will screen record that and upload it. Whoa. Okay. Ah. I expected the rain to be heavier than this. Hey, Mr. Sun. Long time no see. Okay. I really don't know what else to do lah. I mean, what can I do? Just have to wait for the appointment. We tried calling, tried this, tried that. Okay. Hey, I'm watching you. Hey, Marco. I'm watching you. He missed the sun as well. Give you more. There you go. There you go. Now, okay.